Wyf Caityb back in the building with another video, and I'm gonna be trying a facial on my mom, not on myself. My mom's like the guinea pig here. You can tell it's been like almost 5 hours trying to set this up. Of course I got all my products from Mecca, y'all. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my mom usually uses as her cleansers and what I'm gonna do for her face at the moment. So don't come at me for using the wrong products, okay? I only got the products I could afford for like a decent facial, you know what I'm saying? I've never done a facial before, but we're gonna try today. So my mom usually uses her wipes from Kmart, I'm guessing. Kmart has the best stuff. She uses her Sand and Sky exfoliator. She uses her Sand and Sky clay mask. Pretty expensive, it was like 60 something for both of them. And then she finishes off with her Tatcha cream. We're still going to be using this at the end because, you know, this is the go-to. It's the goat, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so obviously first I'm going to start off with cleansing her face. I'll show you guys the products that I'm using as I go. But yeah, so this is the cloth I'm going to be using today for her face. We don't have any white cloths. Nobody likes white cloths. Exposing ourselves with white cloth. So I'm just gonna put this in some lukewarm water. So it's basically just warm water. I'm just gonna rinse her face with warm water. And let's go. Get into all those deep areas, you know what I'm saying? The areas that usually get dry fast, like around the nose. Because you know I'm a professional, guys. Around the ear, we're going to be cleaning the ear, under the chin. Or chins, no. It's whatever. So now that her face is all rinsed and cleaned out, just, you know, show the neck a bit. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu cleansing milk with carnation and rice, or you can just use any cleanser that doesn't have, you know, those scrub thingies. For now I put it in a cup because, you know, that's, why not? So I've already washed my hands, of course, I think. Okay, now let's get to massaging, guys. Now you just rinse it off. So just grab that same cloth you used, put it in the water that you have on the side. Just some nice warm water to wash it off. So guys, I don't have a steamer, so I just got some hot water for my mum to sit up in my face. So it's meant to be relaxing, but oh, you know what, guys? So my mum doesn't have to get up. I'm just gonna do this flannel in this hot water and just put it on my mum's face.
Just chuck it on my face.
Yeah.
Bye bye, everybody.
Do you want to set up a bit or no? I'll just do that for you. We took 10 hours trying to do this. Guys, I need to take a photo of my stand right now. Oh, that's the funniest thing, bro.
Someone made.
Nice and warm. So I'm just going to cover the majority of my mum's face with this. Usually if you have a steamer, it's good to steam it, I don't know, 110 F. I don't know what that is.
Fahrenheit.
Oh,
don't push it in.
Sorry. So that'll be like, I don't know. we are going to go on to the almond face scrub. Again, clean hands. Oh, like a nice scrub. I'm gonna just do a little bit of scrub on my mum's lips. So I got a honey and brown sugar lip scrub here. Oh yes, look at that. Okay. Still a bit of dry skin there, but nothing but a lip balm can do.
To cover your fails.
Now we just wipe it all off. Okay.
Oh, I feel like a waterbed.
Straight up. I'm just gonna use a nice little brush. I'm gonna use my mum's Sand and Sky brush.
Better wash that clean after you finish.
What? Okay. Just try not to get too much into the eye area. Sorry, Mum. My mum's really sensitive to cold and really hot stuff.
How long do you leave it on?
This one's 10 minutes. This mask is 10 minutes. So just relax, Mum. I'll turn the volume down in case Mum starts sleeping.
Sleeping or swearing?
Oh my gosh, I'll be scared to do a facial, guys, because I snore. And boy, you don't want to see that. Okay, yeah. So just let your moms relax, you know what I'm saying?
You gonna play some music?
Yep. So I'm just gonna play some music, guys, and we'll be back. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Bye. Hey guys, and we're back. It's not actually dry yet, but I mean it's whatever. Oh, they're watching up. Sorry, I accidentally wiped it off when I was, because I did another lip scrub when she was relaxing, watching the block. If you guys watch the block, let us know. So I'm just gonna wipe this off, guys. Okay. Guys, since we don't have any cotton buds or anything like that, I'm just gonna use a paper towel like that. Put the toner on. Put the toner on like this. I'm using the glycolic acid toner by MommaB. Just really.
I feel like I'm gonna burn.
No. Just really tightens the pores. I'm just gonna pat that in because it's a paper towel. So guys, I'm gonna put serum. I'm gonna be using the Drunk Elephant.
What? What'd you call me?
Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I know where I should use some eye patches.
You serious?
Yeah. So I'm gonna probably use this eye patch under the mask. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using the
My face is gonna come out. If I'm gonna react in the morning to all the stuff, I'm also gonna knock you out.
Hit me.
Do that, I'm gonna go add the go-to mask on top of it for the whole face. I'm gonna put some lip balm on my mom's lips. It's the Mecca Cosmetica lip thing. In the sorry, it's hard to open. In the chocolate flavor. I like this lip balm. Okay guys, we're back and we're tuning live to you from Wyf Caityb and MommaB. Mom's lips are still nice and chapped, looking refreshed. I just like to, every time I do mask, I like to massage the mask into the skin. Alright, let's take these eye masks off. Can add a bit of hydration there too. I'm using the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream.
Hey, you're not wiping this off?
No, that's to stay on the skin. Really hydrate the skin. So I'm gonna be using the facial spray. Cucumber and green tea disco spray. Just go with it. Just a nice little bit of hydration. Then let it dry. So now that it's slowly all starting to dry, I'm gonna be using the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream.
On top of all this?
Yeah. No nose face. I trust you should see the Balinese. Look at this beautiful packaging, guys. It comes with a little scoop. We don't use the scoop pretty much. Such a nice little package. It must be expensive too. Oh man. Has that nice smell. This is what the inside looks like. Third to last step. No, okay, now we're gonna put some extra lip gloss on just to really shine those lips through. Don't do that. Just leave it on like that. So it's gonna look nice and sassy. Okay guys, and we are done.
Finally.
Look at me, Mama.
I'm gonna go wash my face.
Alright, let me show you guys properly. Hold up. Guys, this is my mom's face at the moment. It's looking very hydrated, very nice, very nice. Shiny. That Tatcha cream is so good, guys. Let me know if you guys notice any difference, because I notice it looks a lot brighter. Very nice. Lips look moist, nice and hydrated. And yeah, that's the finishing look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it. If it's a big no-no, if the products I use is crap. Whatever, okay? So I'm gonna be doing this on myself. And yeah, anything you wanna say, Mom? Your skin feel refreshed?
It's the longest time I've been quiet.
Yeah, honestly. No, like, really? No, really.
I'm gonna wash my face.
Did you find it relaxing?
No. Because your hands are cold as.
My hands are always really cold, sorry. And sorry guys, but yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining. For all my OGs, thank you for sticking with me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, stay safe out there, and see you guys in the next video. Bye. 2 5 3 4